You're hustling on YouTube, creating fire content, but wondering, how does this translate to cash? Enter CPM, your YouTube paycheck. CPM stands for cost per mille, basically how much advertisers pay for 1,000 views on your videos. It's the name of the game, folks. Higher CPM equals more money in your pocket. Now, CPM ain't a fixed number. It fluctuates based on a bunch of factors, but understanding it is key to unlocking your YouTube earning potential. We're talking real money here, the kind that fuels your hustle and lets you live life on your terms. Think of it like this. You're a shopkeeper, and your videos are your products. CPM is the price tag you put on those products. The higher the perceived value, the higher the price you can command. So whether you're just starting or looking to level up your YouTube game, this guide is your roadmap to CPM mastery. We're breaking it down step by step with real-world examples and actionable strategies. Get ready to unlock your earning potential. Let's make this CPM thing crystal clear with some real-world examples. Imagine you're a gaming channel, crushing it with Fortnite videos. You get 1,000 views on your latest masterpiece, and your CPM is $5. Boom! You just earned $5. Now scale that up to 1 million views, and you're looking at a cool $5,000. That's the power of CPM. But hold up, CPM isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. Different niches command different CPMs. For instance, finance and tech videos often have higher CPMs compared to, say, prank channels. Why? Because advertisers are willing to shell out more to reach those valuable audiences. Think of it like this. You're selling lemonade. You can charge more for a glass at a fancy restaurant than at a lemonade stand, right? Same principle applies to YouTube. The more specialized and engaged your audience, the higher your CPM potential. So don't get discouraged if your CPM isn't sky high right off the bat. Focus on building a strong niche, creating killer content, and the CPM will follow. Remember, consistency is key. Keep grinding, keep creating, and watch those earnings climb. Now that you get the basics, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of what makes CPM tick. A bunch of factors come into play, like your audience demographics, video niche, watch time, and even the time of year. First up, audience demographics. Advertisers are obsessed with targeting specific groups, so your audience's age, location, interests, all that jazz, plays a huge role in your CPM. For example, a channel with a predominantly Gen Z audience in the US might attract different advertisers and potentially higher CPMs than a channel with an older global audience. Then there's your video niche. As we talked about earlier, some niches are just hotter than others in the eyes of advertisers. Finance, tech, business, these niches tend to attract big spenders, which translates to higher CPMs for creators. But don't sweat it if your niche isn't on the high CPM list. The key is to find a niche you're passionate about, build a loyal following, and create top-notch content that keeps them coming back for more. Remember, engagement is king. Listen up, because this is crucial. Audience engagement is the lifeblood of your CPM. The more viewers like, comment, share, and watch your videos all the way through, the more YouTube's algorithm rewards you. And guess what? Higher engagement often leads to higher CPMs. Why? Because engaged viewers are gold to advertisers. They're more likely to pay attention to ads, click on them, and even make a purchase. So when you create content that keeps viewers hooked, you're not just entertaining, you're boosting your earning potential. Think of it like this. You're throwing a party. If people are bored and leaving early, you're not going to throw another one, right? But if they're having a blast, dancing, singing, and staying till the early hours, you're going to be the party legend. Same goes for YouTube. Keep your audience engaged, and the rewards will follow. So, how do you boost engagement? Ask questions in your videos, respond to comments, run contests, and most importantly, create content that's so damn good, people can't help but watch, like, and share. Section 5, Niche Selection, Finding Your Gold Mine. Choosing the right niche is like striking gold in the YouTube world. It can make or break your CPM and overall success. Now, while it's tempting to chase the highest paying niches, remember, passion is key. You gotta love what you're creating or it'll show in your content. So, how do you find your sweet spot? Start with your interests. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? What could you talk about for hours on end? Once you've got a few ideas, do some research. Check out other creators in those niches. What are they doing well? What could you do differently? Are there any underserved sub-niches you could tap into? Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it'll be to target your ideal audience and attract those high-paying advertisers. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things. You might be surprised at what resonates with viewers and sends your CPM soaring. The key is to find a niche you're passionate about, put in the work, and consistently create high-quality content. Section 6. Video optimization. Grab attention, boost CPM. You've got killer content, but is it optimized to grab attention and maximize your CPM? Think of your video title, description, and tags as your secret weapons in the YouTube game. They're the key to getting your videos seen by the right people and attracting those coveted ad dollars. Your title is your first impression, your chance to hook viewers and make them click. Keep it short, catchy, and relevant to your content. Use keywords that people are actually searching for, and don't be afraid to add a little intrigue or humor to pique their interest. Next up, your description. This is your chance to provide more context for your video and entice viewers to hit that play button. Use relevant keywords, include timestamps for easy navigation, and add a call to action, encouraging viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Finally, don't underestimate the power of tags. These little guys help YouTube understand what your video is all about and categorize it accordingly. Use a mix of broad and specific keywords related to your content to increase your chances of showing up in search results and suggested videos. Section 7. Watch time, the holy grail of YouTube earnings. Watch time is the holy grail of YouTube earnings, my friends. The longer viewers watch your videos, the more ads they see, and the more money you make. It's as simple as that. YouTube's algorithm loves videos with high watch times, so it's crucial to create content that keeps viewers glued to their screens. But how do you actually increase watch time? First and foremost, create engaging, high-quality content that provides value to your viewers. Whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration, make sure your videos are worth their time. Next, optimize your video structure. Start with a strong hook that grabs attention right from the get-go. Keep your videos concise and to the point, cutting out any unnecessary fluff. Use jump cuts, B-roll footage, and other editing techniques to keep the pace lively and engaging. Don't forget about end screens and cards. These handy tools allow you to promote other videos on your channel, encouraging viewers to stick around and watch more of your content. By keeping viewers engaged and coming back for more, you'll boost your watch time and ultimately your CPM. Section 8. Monetization strategy, ads, sponsors, and more. When it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel, ads are just the tip of the iceberg. While CPM and ad revenue are important, diversifying your income streams is key to building a sustainable business. Sponsorships are a great way to earn money by partnering with brands that align with your niche and values. You can create sponsored videos, integrate product placements, or even give shout-outs to your favorite brands. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue. By promoting products and services you love and using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission on every sale made through your referral. Don't underestimate the power of merchandise. If you've built a strong brand and a loyal following, selling merch like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs can be a great way to generate additional income and engage your fans. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a strategic approach to monetization. By diversifying your income streams and exploring different avenues, you'll create a more stable and sustainable business for the long haul. Section 9. Boost your CPM, actionable tips for success. Ready to take your CPM to the next level? Here are some actionable tips to boost your earnings and unlock your YouTube potential. Know your audience. Understand their demographics, interests, and watch patterns. Tailor your content to their preferences to maximize engagement and attract relevant advertisers. Create high-quality content. Focus on delivering value, entertainment, or inspiration with every video. Invest in good equipment, editing software, and storytelling techniques to keep viewers hooked. Optimize for watch time. Start with a strong hook, maintain a brisk pace, and use visuals and editing to keep viewers engaged. Encourage longer viewing sessions with end screens and playlists. Promote your videos. Don't just rely on YouTube's algorithm. Share your videos on social media, embed them on your website, and collaborate with other creators to reach a wider audience. Engage with your community. Respond to comments, ask questions, and foster a sense of community around your channel. Engaged viewers are more likely to watch your videos, click on ads, and become loyal fans. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to improve your content and engagement. With dedication and hard work, you can boost your CPM and achieve your YouTube dreams. Section 10. Conclusion: CPM Mastery. Your path to YouTube riches. There you have it, CPM decoded. You've learned the ins and outs of how it works, the factors that influence it, and most importantly, how to boost your earnings. Remember, CPM is just one piece of the YouTube puzzle, but it's a crucial one. By understanding CPM and implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you're well on your way to unlocking your YouTube potential. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging your audience, and optimizing your videos for watch time. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and constantly learn and adapt. The YouTube landscape is always changing, so stay ahead of the curve by staying informed and embracing new trends. Now go out there, crush it, and turn your YouTube dreams into a reality.